Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back like Mace, welcome back like Diddy, welcome back like Bell Bottoms. You're now rocking with the best. Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Guys, excuse me. Today we're going to do our daily crypto market update. The day is December 28th, 11:22 a.m. If you like the fact that we predicted yesterday in last night's video this precise price drop, I think that it wouldn't be out of the picture for us to retest 47,000. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. If you guys want somebody else's opinion of what I think is going to be happening in the market, granted, we are right time and time again through technical analysis. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch our videos, because you'll get a heads up of what somebody else's opinion is on what's going to happen with the market and crypto and Bitcoin, guys. So let's get right into it, guys. If you guys want to see how we did it, check it out. So excuse me, guys, if I sound kind of weird, I've been kind of sick. Voice is still kind of raspy, but let's get going. Okay, guys, right now we are watching Bitcoin. So we are at 47,000, guys. And so how do we even see this coming? What did we think was gonna happen, guys? So last night I told you guys that Bitcoin always does basically this. We get those rising channels, guys, we get a drop, and that's exactly what happened yesterday, guys. I told you that we were going on this rising channel. Whenever you have these rising channels excuse me, they tend to break down, guys. So like I mentioned, the last time we had rising channels right here, broke down massively. I also found some on Ethereum that we had. Check this out. Ethereum, these rising channel broke down massively. Rising channel broke down, another rising channel broke down, guys. So we really have to be careful whenever we see these rising channels, guys. We also have to take opportunity to buy the dip. That's exactly what you need to be doing if you believe in Bitcoin, guys. These are insanely low prices for Bitcoin. If you believe in Bitcoin for the long term and Ethereum, this is not financial advice, guys, but we should really be taking advantage of buying those dips. Now, could we go lower? Yeah, we could always go lower. Could we go higher? Yeah. Could we go into a crazy bear market? Nothing is out of the cards, anybody. Remember, this is not a short-term game. This is a long-term game. We are buying and holding Bitcoin for the next 10, 15 years. I'm not selling my long-term Bitcoin, guys. I'm not selling because we're dropping 10, 20, 30%, even 50%, guys. I have positions that are open that are, 100% in the, that were 100% in the profit, that are now 50 to 60% in the profit, but I'm not selling because it's my long-term Bitcoins, guys. Bitcoin will be worth millions one day, and we will look back and wish that we found this price, guys. So what do we think is going to happen in the short term, guys? So let's see what the 1 hourly chart says. So excuse me, guys, I'm sorry, I sound like I've been smoking for 30 years and my lungs feel fine. We have this price right here. Look, on the RSI, guys, we are pretty low in the dumps. Like I mentioned that last night, and I was like, could we go any lower? I don't know. Well, we are already even lower than that. So kind of crazy, but it's happening, guys. I'm gonna say it again. Could we go lower? I don't know, but I'm buying the dip. It's kind of seems like, hey, look, we're so far down on the RSIs that it's probably going to be natural for us to get a little reversal up. Could we go back to 48, even 49, possibly, and then keep going lower? Possibly as well. Whenever we're kind of on these levels, guys, it's really hard to tell what can and won't happen, guys. So right now we broke just below the 200 moving on the 2 hourly, and we're broken below the 200 on the 4 hourly. As you know, whenever you start to break the 200-day moving average, it tends to drop from there. And I've mentioned my examples in the past, guys. Look at this. Whenever we dropped here, we went even lower, and then here we dropped below the 200, we went even lower. So we always want to stay above the 200 whenever we're obviously in any positions. But if you start to drop below the 200, yeah, it can get dumpy from there, and that's not out of the cards for Bitcoin, guys. It's also not out of the cards for Bitcoin to reverse. But on the 1 day chart, we just printed this massive candle here, guys. This massive candle. Now there's some people saying that, look, this could be the worst of it. You know, we've wicked down to 47 and, you know, we're gonna come back up. I am starting to be skeptical just because look at these momentum waves right here. This is the Cypher V divergence, guys. There's this bear flag up here, guys. This is a bear flag. These are bull flags. So whenever, you know, whenever you get a bull flag, and I have these custom notifications set for me, guys. I go back in on all my everything and I set up my custom notifications for everything, for my MACDs, for my RSIs, for my money flow index, for my momentum squeezes, everything. I set up my momentums to be custom so I can understand what's going on. So it's not like you're gonna find this on all of your indicators if you use the indicators that I use. This bear flag is telling me that, first of all, it's a bear flag telling me that there's gonna be lower price action coming, and also this momentum wave looks like it's, I mean, the wave basically needs, it usually needs to go like this. Whoop, bam, whoopsh, and then it comes back up. I mean, this is a prime example. We had momentum come all the way down, then kind of trickle like this, and then all the way up. So on the 1 day, it's telling me, I'm seeing that we can see more red to come. But on the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly, the 3 hourly, we're already pretty low down there, guys. So it wouldn't be out of the cards to see a small reversal from like maybe this point and then come back up and then maybe even dump even more. So right now we have no price predictions, guys. Let's see where the price is going to take us. We are hitting some major support at 47,000. If we break 47,000 on the 2 hourly, we could probably see 46, as I mentioned. So we're pretty much already hit all of our price prediction targets, and now it's we'll see what happens. Can we hit 46? I'm not too sure, but it's definitely a possibility. Ethereum as well, guys. Ethereum just broke structure, as I mentioned. It came out of this structure that it was holding for like, let's see, since about 2 weeks. So that's obviously once again, these lines, guys, I don't know what I keep doing, but yeah, it's telling me that we're breaking structure, and whenever you break structure, you really don't want to see that happen, guys. You don't want to see that happen. Obviously, we could come back up. The next point of support right here is at 3,700 and like 20. So as I mentioned yesterday, 3,700 was a possibility, and here we are. So right now we're gonna need to watch and see, guys. The total crypto market cap, same thing, taking a beating, guys. We're on the, this is the total crypto market cap. We're at 2.2 trillion. We basically went down to 2.1 trillion, which is something I had mentioned because we were ranging through these Fibonacci's, the 38.2, the 50% retracement, and the 61.8. We reached 2.1 trillion and almost a flat 2 trillion a couple of weeks ago, guys. As I remember when I was up here telling you guys, look, if we break this structure, we could see a whole $2 trillion market cap again, and we saw $2 trillion market cap. And at one point I told you we were gonna reach 2.6 trillion, and we reached 2.6 trillion, and we almost reached 3 trillion. So guys, right now we need to just kind of see what's gonna happen. We had this W pattern which failed to break out right here at the neckline. And if it would have broken out, Bitcoin would have had a massive pump, but it broke down, and that's why we had a lot of altcoins pumping, which altcoins are taking a massive dump right now. Crowcoin down 10%, HBAR down 10%, you know, Mana down 10%, Engine down 10%, Sands down 9%, guys. It's pretty bloody out there, guys. But also, these are not right now. I'm not telling you when to buy in. I'm just telling you, you need to take advantage of the dips, because whenever there's a massive dump, there's usually a good, rise back up. Sell when others are greedy and buy when others are fearful, guys. That's the way it should be. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.